Welcome to a new lesson today. In my last lesson, we had learned about how to apply VLOOKUP formula. In today's lesson, I will show you how we can apply VLOOKUP formula from different sheet. VLOOKUP formula help to make work more easier, which is used in Excel and advanced Excel. It can save time and hard work, and it is widely used. So this is our data. You can see this is the data, but here I will show you how we will apply VLOOKUP if you have a data in different sheet. Like I have a data in sheet 2. You can see I have a data in sheet 2. Today I will show you how we can apply VLOOKUP from this sheet only to get the details. So this is very simple. You can see I have name Samir and I want to know the mark of math, how much Samir has got in math. Alright, to know the mark we need to apply VLOOKUP formula, and let's get started. To apply any formula we always use equal to sign, then formula name. So I mentioned so I put equal to sign, then V, just press V, then it will show all the formulas what we are looking for. We are looking for VLOOKUP. We have to apply VLOOKUP, so we'll use down arrow and we'll go to VLOOKUP, then use tab. Now just follow the formula. What it is asking, lookup value. What we have a lookup value here, Samir. Then we'll use comma. Then it is asking table array. Table array is our complete sheet data. So where we have a sheet here in sheet 2. So let me go to sheet 2. Now I will select the complete data. And what we will do after selecting the data, we use F4 key. Alright, to lock the data we need to make it absolute. So now we have selected the data, we will use F4 to lock the data. And if you are using laptop, then you will be using F1 key, then F4. So now you can see we have got $sign. Let me explain you in detail what is F4. Alright, first, when we write absolute, relative or mixed cell reference in Excel formula, we can either type the $symbol manually, or we can use F4 key to insert $symbol automatically. You need to remember below points when you use F4 key to insert $symbol in Excel formulas. The cell where you trying to write the formula must be in the enter mode. Alright, you need to type the equal to symbol as the first character of the formula to tell the Excel that you are trying to write a formula. What we did in the beginning, you can see equal to sign, we used equal to sign. So you need to keep the cursor at the beginning of the cell address, at the middle of the cell address, or at the end of the cell address, like we did. You can see our cursor is here. Alright, press the F4 key only once to create an absolute cell reference. We have to create an absolute cell reference. So this is how we have just pressed F4 key once only. So it will be this will create our absolute cell reference. Alright, and please note that pressing the F4 key different number of times can cause different effect in cell address in an Excel formula. You are not supposed to use multiple times F4 because it will change the uses of this absolute cell reference. It will give different results, but here we need to just use this absolute cell reference just one times. Like pressing F4 key twice will place the $sign symbol before the row number, and dollar symbol before row number means that the row is fixed and the column is relative. Like if I press this again, then you can see it will change the format of the absolute cell reference. We don't want this, we have to put it in the middle only. Alright, like this. And pressing F4 key thrice will place the $sign before the column letter. Dollar symbol before column letter means that the column is fixed and the row is relative. So if we press 3 times, then this will place the dollar symbol before the column letter. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3. See. But we don't want that. We want like this. If you press the F4 key 4 times, all the dollar symbols are removed from the cell address. Like if you want to remove the absolute cell reference, then we'll be using this step 4 times. Now we'll use comma. Now it is asking for column index number. What is our column index number for math? Column index number means this is our column number 1, this is 2, this is 3. So we have to give the column index number. So it will be 3. Let me just it's 3, then comma, then absolute cell reference. Absolute means we need to get the exact data. So I'll use 0. When we use 0 means we need exact match. False. 0 means false. If you put 1, then it will give you approximate match. So we want exact, so it will be 0. Now you can see I have got the result. It's 75 for math. You can see in sheet 2 math is 75. Alright. So for rest of the students, just simply double click. So this is how we use VLOOKUP formula from, if we have to apply VLOOKUP formula from different sheet. So this is how we'll use. So I hope you learned something with this video. If you have any doubt, you can put your questions in comment section. I will definitely answer all your questions. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.